Hey, Shelly here with Seashells and Lemons. I'm going to do a really quick tutorial on how to put together this accordion mini little book here. And there's pictures and everything on my website on all these pieces and parts that are Cricut cut, but I'm actually going to show you just how to assemble this little accordion book. So here we go. Okay, so I am starting with 2 pieces of cardstock. And I'm using Sweet Leaf is my color here. I've got 2 strips of 12" by 4.25 inches, and then I've got 1 end piece, which is 4.25 by 3.25. And then here are all the inside. This book is actually not the birthday book. I'm actually working on a little black book, which is a password book for my daughter. So these are the pieces that go on your pages. This is a front cover and a back cover. So you need 2 pieces that are 3 by 4 and 2 top black pieces that are 2.75 by 3.75, and that would be your front and back cover. So these are scored at 3.25 all the way, so you're gonna have 3 panels and a little extra, 3 panels and a little extra, and then you need 1 extra end piece. Okay, and this is the 4.25 by 3.25, which I already told you. So we're gonna go ahead and get it assembled. So the Sweet Leaf has a dark side and a light side, and for me, it doesn't really matter which side I'm using because they coordinate so well together that I can mix and match. So I'm gonna put my book together using this as my front cover. So this is my front cover, and I've scored the pieces already and gotten them laid out. So if this is the front, page 1, page 1, page 1, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put these pages together like this. So I'm just gonna put some tape here. And I like to try to get the adhesive as close to the edge as possible so that it doesn't, your little pieces don't flip up like this. So try to get the adhesive close to the edge as possible. You can use liquid glue if that makes you happier. But sorry, I'm not real great at this, but okay, there you go. Now you have another panel, and now you can see how it's got your accordion thing going on here, and then you're just gonna take your very last panel and adhere that one on as well. And then I'm gonna tell you this in a second, but just make sure you don't adhere your back front and back pieces until you get your ribbon on. So so now your book is complete. Here's your book. And the front is flat, and then the back piece has where you adhered your last little panel on here, but that's okay because you're gonna put your ribbon on there, you're gonna put the mat on there like this, and nobody's even gonna notice that you've got that there, so you can't see it. But you don't wanna put these pieces on until you get your ribbon on, because the ribbon goes behind it, like so. But you can go ahead and put your top pieces on. So let me just put the cover on. And then in another video, I showed you guys how to do, my handwriting is atrocious, so I either use Cricut handwriting or Dot's handwriting, which my friend Kim showed me how to write using the dots, and I think it looks so cute. And so those are the only 2 ways that unless I'm stamping, of course. But and then this little edging right here is just line, dot, line, dot, line, dot, and those are just using a silver gel pen. Simple, easy, and it gives it a nice little border. So, but there is another video if you want to learn how to make it's just a real quick tutorial again on how to make the dots. But there you go. So book is all set, and now you can put your inside pages in, and then you've got front and back. There you go. All done. Thanks for watching, guys.